So I was a law student at this time. I just started first year in BCL and UCD, and with no intentions or interest in pursuing a musical career. This was not this was not on my radar. I enjoyed music. I enjoyed playing. I dabbled a little bit in songwriting, but nothing to no great extent. And curiously, and out of the blue, I got a phone call one day from the A&R manager of EMI Ireland to say that the managing director of EMI, who was just recently appointed, had made his part of his introduction to the position was to listen to the catalogue of EMI, and apparently heard this voice and said, "This is a voice that I want.